In this video, we are going to know about tropic movements and various plant hormones. What are tropic movements? When a plant shows some growth movement in response to a stimulus, it is known as tropism. It depends on the direction of the stimulus. Plants may either show a positive or negative movement as a response to a stimulus. If the movement is towards the direction of stimuli, it is known as positive tropism. And if the movement is away from the stimuli, it is known as negative tropism. Types of tropic movements. Phototropism. Plants grow towards or away from the light. The type of tropism in response to light is called phototropism. The stems usually show positive phototropism, while roots show negative phototropism. Geotropism. It is a type of tropism where plants show some growth in response to gravity. Stems are negative to the gravitropism, while roots are positive to the gravitropism. This is also referred to as geotropism. The primary roots and certain other portions of the root system show positive geotropism by growing directly towards the center of gravity. The stems are called as the negatively geotropic as they grow away from the center of gravity. The leaves are transversely geotropic as they select their positions at right angles to the center of gravity. Chemotropism. There are few chemical substances which are actively responsible for bringing a curvature movement in plant organs. When plants grow in response to certain chemicals, this type of response is known as chemotropism. Few examples of chemotropism are the conversion of a flower into fruit, the growth of a pollen tube down the style during fertilization, movement of tentacles in Drosera, etc. Hydrotropism. The movement or the growth of a plant in relation to the stimulus of water are called hydrotropic movements, and the equivalent response to the stimulus of water is called hydrotropism. In this type of movement, roots show the positive hydrotropic response as they move and grow towards the water. What are plant hormones or phytohormones? They are responsible for the control and coordination of plants. There are different types of hormones which affect the growth of a plant. Phytohormones are chemical compounds which are released by stimulated cells. These hormones are diffused around the plant cells. They have a role to play in the cell division, cell enlargement, cell differentiation, fruit growth, falling of leaves, ripening of fruits, aging of plants, etc. Let's see different types of phytohormones. Auxins. They help in the cell growth at the shoot tips. By elongating the cells, they help in the growth process. Gibberellins. These hormones are responsible for the cell growth in the stem, seed germination and flowering. Cytokinins. They promote cell division in plants. They also promote the opening of the stomata and delay aging in leaves. Abscisic acid. This hormone inhibits the growth of the plant and therefore it promotes dormancy in seeds and buds. The detachment of fruits, flowers, and falling of leaves, etc., are promoted by this hormone.